Hoş geldiniz. Nasılsınız? Bu haftanın İngilizce videosuyla beraberiz. Her zamanki gibi. Ve bu hafta dedim ki biraz eğlenceli bir içerik olsun. Böyle marka isimlerini okuyalım beraber. Biliyorsunuz yabancı marka isimlerini farklı okuyabiliyoruz. Sonuçta aynı dil değil. Biz Türkçe konuşuyoruz ve yazıldığı gibi okunan bir dilimiz var. Amerika'da Michigan'da yaşayan bir arkadaşım var, Esteban. Esteban'la biz Cambly'de tanıştık ve dedim ki ona gel dedim marka isimlerini karşılaştıralım nasıl okuduğumuzu. Şimdi Amerika'da nasıl okunuyor, Türkiye'de nasıl okunuyor? Beraber karşılıklı konuşup yapalım dedim. Ve çok ilginç bir video çıktı. O yüzden isterseniz daha fazla uzatmadan başlayıp Esteban'la beraber marka isimlerini karşılaştırıp doğru okunuşları ne öğrenelim. O zaman let's go. Hello, hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. What about you?
I'm doing very good, thank you.
We're gonna talk about brand names in English because they're different in Turkish. We pronounce them differently. So we're gonna compare our pronunciation.
Yeah, very
Let's talk about brand names then.
Okay, Levi's.
Levi's.
Yes.
In Turkey, it is Levis.
Levis.
Yeah,
Okay.
the right pronunciation is
Levi's. Converse. Converse. It's a shoe brand.
It's very popular in Turkey, but we call it Converse.
Okay.
The right version is Converse, right?
Converse, yes.
Converse.
Nike.
Nike.
How do you guys say it in Turkey?
In Turkey, we call this Nike.
Nike. Okay.
Yeah. This is a brand that I like.
You guys like a lot of shoes. Vans.
I used to call this Vans when I was a child. Yeah, I didn't know. This is a very popular brand in Turkey and everyone calls this Pull and Bear.
Pull and Bear. Okay.
But
Pull and Bear. Very nice. That's a new one for me. We don't have that very much here.
this brand, right? Because it's from Spain and in Europe it's very popular.
I see.
You just pull and bear the clothing, I guess. I don't know. Arkadaşlar videomuzu balla kesiyorum ama size çok güzel bir haberim var. Onu vermek için geldim. Gördüğünüz gibi Esteban'la Cambly'de konuşuyoruz. Eğer siz de böyle ana dili İngilizce olan hocalarla pratik yapmak isterseniz Cambly'ye gidebilirsiniz ve bu kodu kullanabilirsiniz. Bu kodla ücretsiz ders kazanmış oluyorsunuz. Siz de böylece ücretsiz bir şekilde deneyebilirsiniz. Ayrıca Cambly kendi kanalında hocalarıyla İngilizce pratik videoları paylaşmaya başladı. O videolara da şuradaki linkten gidebilirsiniz. Şimdi ben sizi videoyla tekrardan baş başa bırakıyorum. Hoşçakalın. This is not English, but
Yes, I've come across this in a lesson. So Louis Vuitton.
Louis Vuitton.
How do you guys say it in Turkey?
Everybody says it differently. Somebody says Louis Vuitton, I don't know. This is a problematic one.
Yes. So very nice car brand, Porsche.
But somebody says
Porsche.
that it's like Porsche, you know that?
Some people in English will call it, if they're very fancy, they'll say Porsche.
Porsche.
But most people here in America would just say Porsche.
In Turkey we call it Porsche too.
Chanel.
Chanel.
Yeah, WhatsApp.
App, right?
Yes.
In Turkey
Yes,
we call this
WhatsApp.
like WhatsApp.
What's
it's
up?
different. Yeah, it's different, I know. But we are just used to it. I know that it's WhatsApp, but I still call it WhatsApp.
That's what they all say around.
Because if I say like WhatsApp, they're gonna be like, Çilem, why are you being weird? Like,
Yeah, they don't know what you're talking about.
yeah.
IKEA.
Uh-huh. In Turkey we call this IKEA.
IKEA. Okay.
Yeah, IKEA.
Aha, so BMW. There's a
BMW.
couple, they call it BMW, and if you're just going to talk about the car short, they'll call it a Beamer.
Wow.
Did you see that Beamer? Yes.
I didn't know that.
I don't know what the origin is, but that's very common where I live.
We call it BMW. This is BMW.
BMW.
Yeah. Yeah, what about this one?
Okay, Lamborghini.
Lamborghini, right? Some people go like Lamborghini, but
Lamborghini.
it's wrong, I know. This is again very popular in Europe.
Yeah, that's popular over in America now too. H&M.
In Turkey, somebody calls it like Heme, again,
Heme.
letter by letter, yeah. I heard in Germany they would call that H und M.
Really?
Like, for
Okay.
their alphabet, yeah.
Logitech.
Logitech, right?
Very popular keyboards and mouses, what I'm typing on.
Wow, yeah, exactly, in Turkey too. And this is my computer. What about this one?
So there's a couple ways you can say it. Probably the most common you'll hear in America is Asus,
Asus.
but some people here will also call it Asus
Wow.
because it's a Chinese brand. So people in
Yeah.
America try to find a way to say it too.
Oh, that's the reason. Because in Turkey it's much different. It's Asus.
Okay, Asus. It almost sounds
Asus.
Spanish.
The common thing between Turkish and Spanish is that we speak as we write.
Microsoft.
Again in Turkey it's Microsoft.
Microsoft. Okay.
But it's originally Microsoft, right? Because it's from America. And the last one.
Okay. Ray-Ban. How do you guys say that?
You can guess.
Ray-Ban.
Yeah, something like that. We call it as Ray-Ban, but it's again originally Ray-Ban.
Yeah. It does sound a lot like Spanish.
Yeah. It does. That's why I always say if you know Turkish and English at the same time, you can easily learn Spanish. The word order is like English, but the way you pronounce it is like Turkish. So it's very easy for us.
Thank you. And have a good day.
You too. Bye.
Bye.
Bu haftaki İngilizce videomuz bu kadardı. Umarım eğlenmişsinizdir ve yeni şeyler öğrenmişsinizdir her zamanki gibi. Hangilerini biliyordunuz, bilmiyordunuz, hangisine şaşırdınız yorumlarda benimle her zamanki gibi paylaşmayı unutmayın. Ayrıca size söylediğim Cambly ücretsiz ders linki açıklamalarda olacak kodla beraber. Eğer bu videoyu beğendiyseniz ve bu tarz videoların daha fazla gelmesini istiyorsanız beğene basmayı unutmayın, yorum yapmayı unutmayın. Beni sosyal medya hesaplarından takip etmeyi unutmayın. Kendinize çok iyi bakın. Kocaman öpüyorum sizi. Bye bye.